Hey, this is Ryan again from McKinley Design Studio, working on a 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I've had this problem with my seat for about 5 years, and I finally decided I've had enough and I need to fix it. What's happened is the cushion on the seat here, can you even see that? So this is the driver's side seat, and the seat was dropping about 2 inches on this side, and I could feel that something had come unattached. And so I'm working on that today to get it to the point where I can weld it. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Okay, there's this little sway arm here, right? There's this little sway arm right here, and the end of this cross pole should be welded to it. So I've used a hammer and just kind of tapped it back over where it's supposed to be. And this space right here, there's not enough space to get a welding tip in there to re-weld it. So what I've done is I've come over to the top of it and I'm drilling out a space up above it. And that'll allow me to get inside of this and add a couple of tacks right in there. I'm wanting to take care to not weld that little swivel plate to the actual seat. You can see how it needs to be able to move around. So I'm gonna just add a couple of tacks in there. And all I did was I just drilled on it. And then once it kind of broke through, I disconnected this piece here. And then I moved this piece out of the way. And then you just grind on it to make that hole a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna make that hole just a little bit bigger, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so you can see that hole's a little bit bigger now, and that's gonna give me enough space to get in there and hopefully just weld on that piece. Okay, so this isn't pretty, but there we have it. So most of it is on this side. Again, this is why I wasn't gonna show you the process of welding, but I just stuck something in here to hold this back, and it's in there and it's free, and now this side won't drop. So now you just put it back in, put it all back together again. Okay, there you go, back installed. So now this side doesn't drop. This side over here was dropping about 2 inches, and so when you drove, since that's the leg that hits the gas and the throttle, it was always kind of wiggling around. Anyway, super easy. Should take you about, I don't know, 20 minutes if you have a welder.